Okay, we are doing number 63 in section 8.7, and we're asked to simplify this expression. That means we want to rationalize the denominator. Just like we shouldn't have any radicals in the denominators, we shouldn't have any i's, which remember is an imaginary number standing for the square root of -1 in the denominator either. Now, just like we have an expression of radicals in the denominator, we're going to use the conjugate to get rid of the i's in the denominator as well. Remember, the conjugate is just the expression with the inner, the middle sign changed. So the conjugate of 2 plus 2i is 2 minus 2i. So we have to do the same thing to the numerator. So now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply top and bottom. I'm going to FOIL out the bottom. Now, as I said in the earlier one when I was working with the conjugate of radicals, even after years of practice, FOIL out the bottom. Even though you can pretty much tell what it's going to be because you know it's going to cancel out, I find if I don't do all the work, I mess up the signs. So take the minute, do the actual FOILing out so you get the signs correct. So here I'm just distributing 16i minus 8 times 2, 16i squared. Bottom, first, 2 times 2 is 4. Outer, 2i times 2, 4i. Inner, plus 4i. Last, negative 2 times 2i. Oh, don't forget the other i. So I've got the same term. I've got 2i times 2i, which is what I expected. Now here, I'm going to do some simplifying the top. The 16i has to stay. But remember, what's I squared? It's -1, so this becomes plus 16. In the denominator, these two middle terms cancel each other out. 4, now I've got minus 4i squared. What's I squared? -1. So this becomes, over here, we've got 16i plus 16 over 4 plus, the i's canceled out, plus 4. So that means I have 16i plus 16 over 8. Now, I can pull a 16 out here, so I can do 16i plus 1, 8. The reason I did that is I can cancel an 8. With 8 up here, I'm left with 2. So 2 times I plus 1, 2i plus 2 is also fine. Either one of these answers would be acceptable on the test as your final answer.